Welcome back, everyone. Today's adventure finds us at 65 Pike Street, looking at the largest and most prominent two-story brick structure still standing in Old Town Dayton, Nevada. This two-story structure is known as the Odeon Hall. On the street side, first floor affixed to the building is going to be our next clamper marker. So let's go ahead and take a look at Odeon Saloon-Billiard Parlour, Dayton Lodge No. 5, Independent Order of Oddfellows. Odeon Saloon-Billiard Parlour, Dayton Lodge No. 5, Independent Order of Oddfellows. The first community building was built by the Oddfellows in 1863, costing $30,000. Lodge offices and hall were on the second floor. The Odeon Saloon and Billiard Parlour occupied the west side of the street floor, hosting such notables as Mark Twain and Adolph Sutro. The hardware establishment of Howe and Gallatin was on the east side, street level. In August 1863, Territorial Governor Nye, escorted by Fort Churchill troops, spoke from the balcony to an empty street following a reported riot and committee of vigilance hanging. President U.S. Grant, prior to visiting Sutro's tunnel in October 1879, used the balcony to speak to a more responsive group of townspeople. After the Dayton fire of July 1866, the building was sold and remodeled. The second floor became the Odeon Hall, where dances, minstrel shows, and operas were held. Some town meetings were conducted here. Mr. and Miss Graham H. Hardy purchased the property in 1964 and through their restoration have preserved the past for the future. Julia C. Boulay Chapter, 1864, E. Clampus Vitus, dedicated June 29, 1974.